Choosing the right video transmitter can be tricky. Laggy signals, short range, complex setup, and unstable connections often ruin live streaming or screen sharing. That's why reliable wireless video transmitters are essential. They deliver smooth, low-latency video, stable long-range transmission, and easy plug-and-play performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best video transmitters for 2026, covering home entertainment, gaming, presentations, FPV drones, and professional live use. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and performance reliability to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Number 5. VIKEFON Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter. The VIKEFON Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit is a compact plug-and-play solution for wirelessly streaming video from laptops, PCs, cameras, or media players to TVs and monitors. It supports stable HD video transmission with minimal setup. Just connect and start streaming. The dongle-style design makes it extremely portable, ideal for home use, meetings, classrooms, or temporary setups. With strong signal stability and wide device compatibility, it's a convenient choice for users who want simple wireless screen sharing without technical hassle. Number 4. SpeedyBee TX800 FPV Video Transmitter. The SpeedyBee TX800 is a high-performance 5.8 GHz FPV video transmitter designed for racing and long-range drones. It supports 48 channels with adjustable power output from 25 milliwatts up to 800 milliwatts, allowing pilots to balance range and interference easily. Features like pit mode and tramp protocol support make it race-friendly and highly configurable. Known for stable signal output and reliable performance, this VTX is ideal for FPV enthusiasts who demand strong transmission, low latency, and professional-level control in competitive environments. Number 3. Lemorele Wireless HDMI Extender 1080p. The Lemorele Wireless HDMI Extender delivers smooth 1080p video transmission up to 200 meters, making it perfect for homes, offices, events, and classrooms. It supports laptops, PCs, cameras, and TVs with a simple transmitter-receiver setup. The system provides stable, low-latency video suitable for presentations, live viewing, and media streaming. Its reliable wireless connection and wide compatibility make it a solid mid-range option for users who need longer transmission distance without sacrificing video clarity or ease of use. Number 2. VNNBBS Wireless HDMI Extender with battery support. The VNNBBS Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit is designed for professional and live use environments like churches, events, gaming setups, and camera workflows. It supports external NPF series batteries, allowing flexible, cable-free operation for extended sessions. Video transmission remains stable and smooth, making it suitable for live feeds and presentations. With strong compatibility across cameras, laptops, and displays, this extender is a great choice for users who need portable power options and dependable wireless performance in demanding scenarios. Number 1. Hagibis Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit. The Hagibis Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit is the most user-friendly and versatile option on this list. Its true plug-and-play design allows instant wireless streaming from laptops to TVs or projectors with no drivers or apps required. The compact dongle form factor makes it ideal for travel, business presentations, classrooms, and home entertainment. With stable signal transmission, low latency, and broad device compatibility, this kit delivers premium convenience and reliability for everyday wireless display needs. Wireless video transmitters eliminate cables while delivering smooth, reliable video for entertainment, work, and FPV use. These 5 options cover everything from drone racing to home streaming and professional events. Choose the one that fits your range, power, and setup needs, and enjoy true wireless freedom.